And I just want to say that majority, despite majority ruling out that we should be much interested in American leadership or American politics, I want to say that, and some were some supported my motion, which I mean, by saying that we should be involved in American kind of politics, which is true. America, the Democrat policies of LGBTQ has decayed the cultural morals of our society, the religious morals, the family values has really been eroded since Democrats came into power 2020 up to 2024. And I'm very much happy that today with the Republican policy, which values family values, moral values, cultural values, and religion, we are going to go in the right trajectory. And I want the government of Kenya to crush with immediate effect the perpetrators, those who spearhead the issue of LGBTQ. I also want to talk about the issue of political stability, the geopolitical impact to it. We know that the Democrat policies have been creating violence or conflicts in very many parts of Asia and also Africa. We are very much interested in the current leadership because Trump believes in peace and Trump believes in peaceful coexistence between nations. Last but not least, I also want to talk about the issue of agriculture. The GMOs, which have been introduced into African states, Kenya to be precise, has really affected food production, and this should be rejected with immediate effect so that our farmers can do farming organically and ensure that the type of food, the quality of food which is being produced in our gardens are not harmful to the people of Kenya. Last but not least, Kenyans must be fully observant on what is happening in America, because America plays a very pivotal role. When there is peace in America, there is peace in the entire world. And I'm very much delighted that now it is time for MAGA, make America great again, because if America is great, the entire world is great. That is my punchline. Thank you. Maybe
Mwananchi.
Thank you, sir.
There is a post you're running in Mbunge Mwananchi as a speaker, yeah? Some of the leaders are embracing you and they are very happy with your leadership. My question is, what have you done that some of the leaders were not doing before? Now that you have taken Mbunge to another level that it wasn't there before, what have you just done that some of the leaders have not done?
First and foremost, I'm extremely thrilled, and I'm with a lot of pride and enthusiasm with the endorsement which I've received today from the former presidents whom we have had here, and my work can be seen. Bringing people together is inborn. This is something I was brought up with. I've not only been a leader in Mbunge Mwananchi as speaker, I've been a leader from primary. I was class prefect. Secondary, I was class prefect. And without even resources, I have strategies, I have tactics of bringing people together. By bringing people together, you do this. You respect each and everyone. You be honest. Because in Mbunge Mwananchi is a social movement. We agitate for honesty, we agitate for equity, we agitate for fairness. I've given each and every member, irrespective of their political affiliation, irrespective of their ethnic background, irrespective of their level in the Maslow hierarchy of needs, I've given them space without any iota to express themselves. And this is what we need to spearhead going forward. Respect to each and everyone, that is my core value. And that is my happiness. Respect to humanity. So I think through that, many have observed, and they now see that a guy can take Mbunge very far. And I'm very happy. I'm going to ensure that that is